Solar power. Energy resources can be used to generate electricity. Resources are either renewable or non-renewable. Solar power uses light from the sun to generate electricity. The sun will produce light for a very long time. This makes solar power a renewable energy resource. How does a solar cell work? The sunlight hits the surface of the solar cells and releases electrons from the material. The electrons flow around a circuit and provide electrical current, generating electricity. This charges a battery so that the electricity can be used when needed. There are advantages and disadvantages of using solar power. The advantages are: solar power is a recommended solution for powering devices that require small amounts of energy. It can be used in remote areas to provide electricity. Fossil fuels are not used and no extra pollution is produced after manufacture. A reliable source of energy in countries that experience many hours of sunlight. Almost no running cost. The disadvantage is it only generates electricity when there is light, generally used to produce electricity on a relatively small scale. Can be expensive but becoming cheaper. The amount of electricity produced cannot be changed if the demand for electricity increases. Issues are defined as an important topic or problem for debate or discussion. These are important for governments to consider when replacing the use of non-renewable energy resources. There are four main types of issues: political, economic, ethical, and social. The impact at a local or national level that often involves deals and partnerships is a political issue. The most commonly accepted moral solution is an ethical issue. Problems that influence citizens within a society is a social issue. Problems that involve an aspect of money is an economic issue. What are some of the issues that could be considered when building a solar power facility? The location of the solar panels has to be agreed with landowners, which is a political issue. It's expensive to build a solar power facility, which is economic. It will spoil the view of the countryside. This is a social issue. It is the right thing to do as fossil fuels are damaging the planet. This is an ethical issue. Summary. Energy resources are stores of energy that we use to generate electricity. Renewable resources are replaced as quickly as we use them or faster. Solar cells are renewable and can be used in remote places and has almost no running cost. Solar cells do not run all the time. If the demand for electricity increases, more electricity cannot be produced. Scientists can advise on environmental issues, but there are other factors to consider before action occurs. Keywords: energy resource, stores of energy that we use to generate electricity. Solar power, a renewable energy resource where electricity is generated from sunlight.